Hello everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video we will take a look at the engineering being employed in agriculture. We would be focusing on the engineering equipments being used. Let us first take a look at the phases of agriculture. The first step involves preparing of the land for cultivating the crops. The land is checked for effects of any disease from the previous cultivation, and steps needed to minimize this impact is planned accordingly. Then suitable fertilizers for the land are analyzed to bring the land to normal fertility. Later a layout and design is made for effective irrigation. After all this analysis is done, the land is leveled. These are some of the equipment that are utilized during land preparation: rototiller, disc harrow, rotavator, and cultipacker. A rototiller is a tillage machine designed for preparing land by breaking the soil with the help of rotating blades, suitable for sowing seeds. This is done without overturning the soil. Disc harrow are a row of concave metal discs, which may be scalloped, set at an oblique angle. It is an agricultural implement that is used to till the soil where crops are to be planted. It is also used to chop up unwanted weeds or crop remainders. A rotavator is used as a primary comb secondary tillage implement. It helps conserve previous soil moisture and pulverizes soil up to 6 inches of depth. The rotavator is used for the following advantages: rapid seedbed preparation, less power loss, and also reduces tractor weight. A cultipacker is a piece of agricultural equipment that crushes dirt clods, removes air pockets, and presses down small stones, forming a smooth, firm seedbed. Where seed has been broadcast, the roller gently firms the soil around the seeds, ensuring shallow seed placement and excellent seed-to-soil contact. Seed sowing is defined as the process of placing the seed in soil to germinate and grow into plant. Seeds may be sown directly or transplanted. For transplanting, the seeds are sown in nursery, and the nursery is later transplanted to field. There are several methods of seed sowing like broadcasting, dibbling, drilling, sowing behind the country plow, planting, and transplanting. The following are the types of equipment used in seed sowing phase. The seed comb fertilizer drill consists of a seed box, fertilizer box, seed and fertilizer metering mechanisms, seed tubes, furrow openers, seed and fertilizer rate adjusting lever, and transport comb power transmitting wheel. The fluted rollers are driven by a shaft which gets power from wheels. Fluted rollers fixed in the seed box receive the seeds into longitudinal grooves and drop them in the seed tube attached to the furrow opener. By shifting the rollers sideways, the length of the grooves exposed to the seed can be increased or decreased, and hence the amount of seed sown can be varied. The approximate cost of the machine is around 35,000 Indian rupees. It is a tractor-drawn implement which forms ridges and furrows and carries out sowing either on the ridge, a side of the ridge, or in the furrows as desired. The seed drill consists of seed hopper, fertilizer hopper, seed metering mechanism, fertilizer metering mechanism, drive system, drive wheels, hitch system, ridger bodies, furrow openers, transport wheel, and sturdy frame made of mild steel sections. The ridger body consists of two mold boards and share mounted in the front. The wingspan of the ridger can be adjusted to vary with the furrow or ridge. Seed and fertilizer metering units receive power from ground wheel through chain and sprocket system. During operation, ridges having flat top are formed by the ridger bodies on which the seeds are sown. Tractor-mounted pneumatic planter consists of a centrifugal blower operated by a tractor, which is used to provide the necessary air pressure to pick up and release the seeds in the metering mechanism. It is a 6-row machine, operated by a tractor of 35 horsepower and 26.25 kilowatt or more, to plant single seed at predetermined row spacing. It consists of main frame, aspirator blower, disc with cell-type metering plate, individual hopper, furrow openers, shaft, ground drive wheel. The raised bed planter consists of a frame, planting hoppers, fertilizer box, furrow openers, bed shaper, and power transmitting wheel. The frame is made of mild steel sections. The furrow openers are ridger type and have mold board and share point. The wings of the mold board can be adjusted. The share is made of medium carbon steel or alloy steel, hardened and tempered to suitable hardness. The machine makes 2 beds. Machine can sow 2 or 3 rows of wheat on each bed. Machine has seed metering unit of vertical disc type. The draft requirement of the machine is reduced due to roller type bed shaper. With this we come to the end of the second phase of agriculturing. We have taken a look at the equipments used in the first 2 phases. We will take a look at the remaining phases of agriculturing and the machinery used in those phases in part 2 of the video. Let me close today's video by asking you a simple question. Where did agriculture originate? Do post your answers in the comments section. With this we will close today's video. Kindly do keep supporting the channel as usual. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also do like, share and comment. We'll meet you in the next video.